this tutorial, we are building a journey to add new Airtable record for new Salesforce opportunities. So let's start. Select Salesforce as trigger. Then choose Create New Record as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Choose an option for object. Now, in steps, we have to add Salesforce opportunity details in Airtable. For that, select Airtable in steps. Next, add Create Record as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. To get app ID, click on the link in the description. Then select our product. Copy the app ID from the URL and paste it. Add table name as per the Airtable table. To get record ID, go to Airtable, right-click on any cell and click on Copy Record URL. Then paste it and remove the unnecessary part. Add fields using Salesforce app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Salesforce, then to Opportunities, then click on New, add Required Fields and click on Save. Opportunity is created. Next, go to Journey to check the execution. Yes, journey is executed successfully. Now go to Airtable. We can see a new record created on Airtable. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add new Airtable record for new Salesforce opportunities. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.